Welcome to NextGenCodies, your gateway to mastering the art of coding and web development. We're excited to embark on this journey with you. Today, we're diving into the world of JavaScript, a powerful tool that brings websites to life with interactivity and dynamic features. JavaScript is a dynamic, interpreted programming language used to create interactive and dynamic features for websites. As a core technology of the web, it allows developers to manipulate HTML and CSS, handle user interactions, and create engaging user experiences. JavaScript is essential for creating interactive user interfaces on websites and web applications, making them more engaging and user-friendly. It's also used for server-side development, mobile app development, desktop applications, real-time functionality, and web browser compatibility. We'll explore these uses in detail in upcoming videos. JavaScript adds interactivity to websites, enabling control over form data validation, button functionality, game logic, dynamic styling, animation updates, and much more. It's a versatile language used in both front-end and back-end web development, making websites interactive and scalable. Let's look at a simple example of JavaScript code. Here, we have a basic HTML structure with a script that logs a message to the console. This is our first step in understanding how JavaScript works. The output of our JavaScript code is displayed using the console.log method. This is a fundamental way to debug and understand the flow of your JavaScript programs. JavaScript syntax refers to the set of rules that determine how JavaScript programs are constructed. From variable declaration to assigning values and computing expressions, understanding syntax is crucial for writing effective code. We've covered the basic concepts of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the next set of videos, we'll move forward to practical implementation and dive deeper into each of these technologies. You'll learn how to execute code step by step, apply these skills in real-world web development, and build a complete website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to NextGenCodies for upcoming videos related to web development. We're excited to continue this learning journey with you.